In this video, I'll show you how to burn a CD using AmplifyPACS. It's important to note that you must have an internal optical drive. If you have an external USB optical drive, it may not be compatible. We also recommend that you use a CD-R or DVD+R. No other formats are supported, including rewritable discs. To begin the process, click on CD/DVD Creator. For this example, I'm going to adjust the date range manually. And if you know the patient's ID or the patient's last name, you can enter that and click Search. Then you'll select the exam by left-clicking on it. If you have multiple exams that you want to burn to the same CD, you can press Control on your keyboard to highlight and left-click multiple exams at the same time. Once the exams are selected, you'll want to go to this pull-down menu and select Uncompressed. These will be DICOM format, but the compression will be uncompressed. Then click Backup. Wait for the process to finish, and the CD will eject on its own.